I saw a video, ne? I think it's one of members of parliament in the parliament of Nigeria. That member of parliament was saying that they need to close DSTV, they need to close MTN because of those are South African companies. And this is what I have to say to that member of parliament in Nigeria who is saying that if they want to close those companies, they can go ahead and do that. Because of us as South Africans, by the way, there is nothing that we are benefiting in those companies. In fact, we are losing a lot of money paying DSTV, buying data, buying airtime. So if they want to do that, they can go ahead. But what we won't allow is this: people to come to South Africa illegal. And when we start seeing those who are here illegal, we are being told that we are xenophobic. If it's being xenophobic to say to those who are illegal they must go, then that is fine. Some of us, you can call us whatever names, but it can never be correct that there must be people in South Africa who are illegal. Because those people, when they have committed crime, let me tell you, you won't be able to trace them. Even us as South Africans, we will never go to other countries without having proper documentation. And that very same member of parliament in Nigeria, that member must be ashamed of himself because of this. This is one of the reasons that proves that that's why people are leaving their countries to even come to South Africa illegal, because of their leaders in their countries are not doing their job. People would not be flooding to South Africa if in their countries their leaders were not doing their job. And that's why one of the things that I keep on saying, that us as South Africans, when our leaders, when those who are elected are not doing their job, we make sure that we deal with them decisively So even those who have come to South Africa, it is about time. Those who have come illegal in South Africa, it is about time that they go and deal with their leaders the same way that South Africans are dealing with the corrupt leaders here in South Africa. So it can never be correct. We are not going to allow it. People can say whatever that they want to say. But if people are not in South Africa legal, they are here illegal, meaning they must go.